Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am picking a Pac-Lock UCS-4A. This lock comes to me from Joe Picks from his 500 subscriber giveaway that he did with John Locke, and both of them reached 500 right around the same time. This lock, the top of the keyway is very short, and there are times I have picked this lock. I've been practicing with the pick that Joe Picks made for me and learning in that, and there are times when I've picked this lock that the tension wrench goes flying across the room. It's just barely in there, and when I finally get some pins picked, or get the lock picked, it goes flying. So, and then I lose the open. So let's see if we can get on camera. Just kind of slid into a little bit of a false set there. I usually switch out. I don't usually use this pick for the entire lock because I just don't get the same feel, and I need to use really light tension, and I don't get the same feel out of it. So I can use it to get a couple more pins here. Okay, now I'm into a deeper false set. Okay, got pin 1. And there we go, pin 5. So, bitting is not bad on this. It just, getting pin 1 is a trick. You got to kind of lightly touch a bunch of other pins, get them to kind of barely set. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. You get them lightly set, and then you got to get 1 in some good counter rotation. And then I believe it's pin 4 also has really good counter rotation on it to get it set. So let's crack this open. I have not gutted this. I haven't watched any videos either, but I do know that it has this set screw in it that allows the core to move. And I'm going to relock it. And so I said I haven't gutted it, which I haven't. I did mess it up. So this pin goes into the core in a channel that allows it to only rotate 90 degrees. If I turn the key this way and start to pull out, I'm going to start dropping pins into that channel. So I need to go the opposite direction. and then remove the key. So that's the channel. If I rotate the key that way and I don't have a shim in there, which shim I have one, well, I had one right around here somewhere. I have plenty of shims. I could have shimmed it, but really just rotating the other way, I've got all that surface to work with. But not knowing, I should have been shimming it since I didn't know what was in the lock. So I had to finagle it back in and relock it and realize what I did, and then now I'm gutting it. All right, so anyway, enough of that. Let's get to actually gutting it. So pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, and pin 6. All of these are standard pins. Here I am looking for my tweezers, and my desk is a mess. And they're probably right in front of my face. Okay. So yeah, they're all the right way. All right, and now let's just set this here, and we'll go with the top. Pin 1, I'm guessing, is a spool by the feel of it earlier. All right, sorry, give me 1 minute, a moment. So pin 2 is standard. It's actually serrated, but the serrations were to the top, so let's flip that over so they can actually hit the shear line. Another spool. And am I on the camera? Maybe I should get better here. There, that serrated was the right direction. Another spool. So I'd have to guess the last one's going to be it's a long standard pin. All right, and we'll just dump the springs. 2, 4, 6 of them. All right, so let's try to look into the core here and see how this works. So I mentioned that there's this channel and that this pin goes into it. So to lock the core in place, that pin, when you screw it in, drops into that channel. It drops into this channel, and that channel then only allows it, when the pin's there, to go 90 degrees. So that is the Pac-Lock, and they do have nice spools. Serrations aren't too deep on them, but they do their job. The spools have nice counter rotation on them. So that is a Pac-Lock, and this is my first time gutting one of these interchangeable cores there. So again, Joe, thank you for the lock. Congratulations again to both you and John on your 500 subscribers. Everyone else, thank you for joining me with this lock, and have a great rest of your day.